If you're going through a hard time right now, maybe with your digestion, your overall health, or because of any trauma that you experienced, I want to share with you a simple practice that I do myself when I feel everything is just too much and I just need unconditional support. If you do this practice with me and go in with sincerity and really giving it a go, then at the end you're going to feel more grounded, more held in your experience, whatever you are going through in your life right now, and maybe even receive some healing insights on your next steps. If you're busy right now, just save this video to watch later and just come back when there is a good moment for you to do this practice. Find a comfortable position on your chair, on your couch, on the floor, ideally sitting up and your spine upright. Once you've found a comfortable position, I invite you to relax your shoulders. If you're very stiff in the neck and the shoulders, you can do a few movements of the shoulders. For me, this is always the area where the stress sits. And just open it up and let it fall down. Bring your hands together in front of your heart. So this looks very much like a prayer position or a namaste. You don't have to label it that way if it doesn't gel with you. This is open to any human. I've done this with 45-year-old business managers who didn't think this will work, but then in the end came back and said this was very helpful to them. So bring the hands together like this. They touch the heart like that. If this is for whatever reason uncomfortable for you or your arms get tired, you can also just put 1 or 2 hands on your heart. And then close your eyes when you're ready, or just lower your gaze so you connect more with your body and with the subtle movements and sensations that are happening. Take a deep breath in through the nose if you can. And let it go through the mouth. Slow, long out breath. And breathe in again 1 more time through the nose. Hold it a moment. And let go. Breathe out. You're doing very well. You can't mess this up, so don't stress yourself. Now, sometimes when there's a lot going on, I know myself, I get very much into a tunnel vision. I can only see my misery and what's going wrong and the problems to solve. I invite you now to think of something that you are genuinely grateful for. It can be very simple, like the sun is shining right now, or I'm able to have this time for myself to do this practice, or grateful for your family or your friends or your dog, your cat. Just one thing where you feel your system is opening up. And then let the feeling of gratefulness just marinate a bit in your system without getting too heady, more like feeling it, or getting more on the sensational level. Breathe in, relax. Okay, you're doing very well. Now, imagine that there is unlimited, no limits, endless love and support for you and for what you're experiencing right now. No judgment, can't mess it up. Right where you are is perfect, even if it doesn't feel like it. It's all part of your unique path and your life adventures. And I invite you to, in your own words, you can whisper them or just say them silently inside you. Maybe you want to say something like, I allow to be unconditionally loved and supported right now. Opening up for the support and the love that is always there. It's never going away. And now you're just consciously allowing it in. And when you said that sentence, just feel what happens, because there is something happening. Just take a moment to feel. Keep breathing. I allow love and support right now. Allow yourself to marinate a little bit in this support. You can stay here as long as you like. You can also come back to this video anytime if you need an anchor. And if you like to end this practice for now, you can just let go of the gesture maybe end with a thank you, knowing that the support and the love is always there, whether you do this practice or not. This is just a way to become more conscious of it. And if emotions coming up, if you feel like crying, if you get very hot or very cold, allow the loosening, the moving, it's all energy coming into motion. Welcome whatever experience is presenting itself. I thank you for your trust, for being here and taking this time for yourself, for your body, for your digestion. If you'd like to go even deeper, I recorded a meditation which I'm going to link up here that I recommend you to watch next. It's a simple practice to help your body, your digestion heal itself faster, and it makes you feel good at the same time. So watch that next and let me know about your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.